Kami sangat terkejut mendengar kepergian Opung, dan pada saat ini kami sedang dalam perjalanan baik dari Afrika, dari Jerman, dan kami datang ke sini melihat Opung.
We here are two executive secretaries from the UEM from Germany, Reverend Dr. John Wesley Kabango, and me, who has been introduced, and two council members, Bishop Derek Kalimba from Rwanda and Reverend Daphne Taurus from Namibia.
Ya, kami di sini dari dua ada sekretaris eksekutif dari region Afrika, Bapak John Kamango, dan dua juga council member dari Afrika, dari Namibia, dan kami dari DPD-RI Departemen, Pendeta Asal Motte, dan saya.
All of us have worked under the great caring leadership of your husband Willem Tumpal in the UEM, in the council for the last 6 years.
Kami semua dalam kepemimpinan Opung, Pendeta Willem Simarmata sebagai council member UEM.
We mourn with you the death, but we would like to greet you with a verse from the Bible.
Ya, saya ingin membaca dari Alkitab.
From Luke 6:21. Blessed are you who weep now, for you will laugh.
Ya, dari Lukas. Ya, diberkatilah engkau dan akan bergembiraan.
And this is not chosen by accident. We remember your husband as somebody who always made us laugh.
Ya, ini bukan karena kejadian ini, tetapi memang kita harus selalu bergembira, bersukacita di dalam segala situasi.
He had a special gift from God, even in critical situations, in critical discussions. He could break the ice and make us laugh.
Ya, dia adalah berkat yang kami terima dalam berbagai situasi yang kritis untuk selalu berikan suasana yang menyenangkan.
We will always remember him. We will pray for him and your family, and we will keep him in our hearts.
Ya, kami akan selalu mengingatnya, selalu mengingat keluarga, dan akan selalu memperhatikan.
I will give opportunity to Bishop Kalimba to say a word, and then also to the other members.
Hello family. Willem was a special friend of me. I came here, I spent the night here, always with the whole family.
Ya, Opung adalah sangat spesial buat beliau, sehingga datang ke sini melihat Opung dan juga keluarga.
We came to Rwanda and he visited me, my family at the church.
Beliau datang ke Rwanda, berkunjung ke rumah beliau dan juga bertemu dengan keluarga dan gereja di sana.
Our condolences.
Kami menyatakan turut berduka cita.
We want to pray for you.
Dan kami berdoa untuk Opung dan juga keluarga.
Blessings to you.
Today, I am from Namibia and I lost a father.
Ya, Bapak semua, saya dari Namibia. Saya sangat kehilangan suatu.
Wherever he is, he is always a loving, caring person.
Dimanapun beliau, dia selalu
And he always crack a joke.
selalu ada canda-canda.
He was an icebreaker.
Dia seperti ice breaker ya, yang
Yeah, and I sympathize with the family.
saya bersimpati
Let
keluarga.
us continue praying for him.
Kami berdoa untuk kita semua,
Continue praying for the family.
seluruh keluarga.
What is lost by us is the gain to the Lord.
Biarkan semuanya tidak
May his soul rest in eternal peace and raise in glory. Amen.
Terima kasih.
Dear sisters and brothers, family of Willem,
Ya, Bapak, semuanya keluarga Pendeta Willem,
I would not to really comment a lot because the colleagues have said a lot.
ya kami memang datang ke sini.
But I wanted to give you greetings from the solidarity of African churches. 15 churches have written.
Ya, saya ingin memberikan salam solidaritas dari Afrika, region Afrika.
The church from Namibia, where Reverend Daphne comes from, the bishop wrote.
Ya, dari Namibia ada di sini. Bishop juga sedang dalam perjalanan.
From another country, Botswana, down in Beirut also, the bishop Letlage, he wrote.
Ya, dari Botswana tidak hadir.
In South Africa, our dear moderator Willem went to the Rhenish Church in South Africa. Reverend Tommy said, please mention my name, our name.
Ya, dari Afrika Selatan juga dari Rhenish Church menyampaikan duka cita.
Again in South Africa, Modise is the moderator of the church there in South Africa. He said, please be strong.
Ya, dari Afrika Selatan menyampaikan semoga keluarga dikuatkan. Ya.
Bishop Malasusa of Tanzania, Bishop Bagonza of Tanzania, Bishop Kesha Mshahara of Tanzania is here, he will come maybe, and the Bishop of Northwest Eastern Nation, 4 bishops from Tanzania, they said, be strong.
Ya, 4 eborus atau bishop dari Tanzania menyampaikan semoga keluarga tetap dikuatkan.
The bishop from Rwanda is here, but another president from Rwanda, Pascal, said, be strong.
Ya, bishop dari Rwanda juga ada di sini, hal yang sama juga disampaikan semoga kuat.
The DR Congo, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, they wrote a message to say, Mama, be strong, and the children.
Ya, dari gereja di Kongo juga bishop menyampaikan hal yang sama.
In Cameroon, they said, be strong.
Dari Kamerun juga menyampaikan tetap kuat.
So let me stop here. Johan mentioned it. Really, he said, it is not very easy to be strong when we have lost our father, but we know he served God with his heart and his power.
Ya, seperti Johan sampaikan, memang tidak mudah untuk menjadi kuat dalam situasi ini, tetapi jika kita mengandalkan Tuhan, kita akan dikuatkan.
God strengthen you, dear family. God strengthen you. God make you very powerful.
Ya, Tuhan akan menguatkan keluarga dan memberikan kekuatan. Ya, thank you very much. Baby from Bible School will give us. Satu lagi nama.
Yes, sir. But deliver, I think we miss that. But we say thank you for your promise. My father always told us that you are a friend. I have seen a lot of pictures of you and him. I have seen your pictures when you carry his granddaughter in the back of our home. Yes. I have seen your pictures with Willem Tumpal in Africa also. Only with your words that can help us to carry this heavy burden from the several days. All of us really love our father Willem, but Jesus loves him more. There were 3 weeks when we were in hospital with me, my mother and sisters and brothers. We believe that miracles have happened in the hospital. Jesus gave us 3 weeks to prepare ourselves on letting him go forever. which is in 17th June. We accompany him until he exhaled his last breath. All of us stand beside him. He is not alone. Thank you. Only with your words, I'm really glad to hear from bishops across country, from Cameroon. It really helped us to support his family. Because, yes, of course, we know from several days ahead, it will be heavy to us. Only from your blessing, praying, and special message will help us to carry this heavy burden. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.